Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable voice prompts for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app, and then it will open for you the headphones menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones. Now scroll down, and you need to find voice prompts line and tap at this line. Now, near to the voice prompts we have the slider. If you want to enable voice prompts, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And now, as you can see, we enable them, so we can swap between languages. And to disable voice prompts, if you don't need it, also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!